Oh yeah, buddies, the Xbox giveaway still going on. Once we hit 1,000 subs, we're at 243 while I'm recording this. Gonna give that away. It's 2 videos ago if you want to enter. Go ahead. Good luck.
Oh yeah, boys! Another unboxing. Get some views, but this is a pretty good one. So this is the Nike one I got, right? The Apple Watch Series 5. Just the GPS, not the cellular one. So if you look on like other websites, right? Apple Watch Series 5, not the Nike one. It's just a different, it's a regular one. It's 44 millimeter. Everything's the same. $400 for that one, right? The one I got. And $299. You're saving $130 right now. I don't know why they got this deal going on. Maybe they got too many of the Nike ones. It looks pretty cool though. I thought it was cool. $300. You probably find a better deal though. I mean, probably not. I don't know. There was a really good deal on Walmart. It sold out. I was actually gonna buy that one instead, but it is what it is. But yeah, pretty good deal. Let's unbox it. I don't know if you want to review. It's not the video to watch. Unless this gets like hundreds of thousands of views, I'm not making a review. I'm probably not that qualified to make a review. I can unbox stuff though. I was trying to hide the SKU and the UPC number or whatever, because I don't know, someone can mess with me. But it is what it is. Here we go. It's all the stuff there if you want to see that. Let's get this show on the road. And you wouldn't mind leaving a like. You don't have to subscribe. I don't care. If you'd like to, you can. I've been buying a bunch of stuff recently, and you see my hair on here is really nice, deep. Fun to my impulse buying. One day, get this channel monetized. See 1,000 subs. You feel me? All right, this is taking too long. Hold on. All right, finally got it. This off. It's the first Apple Watch I've ever had. Here, let me get the lighting situation. Oh yeah, so too much light, but it's fine. Here, let's figure out how this works. So, I think it has something to do with these. Oh yes, very nice. Oh yeah, as you can tell, my hands are a little extra large today. I've been exercising since I was hit with the COVID. I've been staying home, good citizen. Well, my quarantine's over, and I'm just getting another test today. You guys don't care about that. I know. Hold on. Whoa. Okay, this is actually really good. I thought this was a real. I thought it was a wire or something. It's just designs, guys. So if you want a limited edition box, a Nike box. Ooh, you like Nike? Ooh. Okay. What's going on here? So, is this something? So this looks like to be the band. Alright. It's a cool box though, to be honest. I'll probably put this up, so I'm gonna keep the box for sure. Throw that like right there. My case thing, it's kind of dirty right now. Maybe throw that there. Okay. Yeah, let's one day I'll get a tripod if this channel takes off. I'll make some Warzone videos, it's my dream, Look, this channel's been open for, how many years? Yeah. I probably just broke something in there. Alright, this looks to be some charger. Oh no, that's the actual watch. Okay. We'll look at that in a second. Put that safely right there. It's designed for athletes by Apple and Nike, so perfect. Made just for me. I'm actually told the league I couldn't go. I was just busy with school. So they're like, oh, shoot. But it is what it is. So let's give you directions on how to put the watch together, I guess. Some more stuff, maybe. Yeah. Well, I'll probably need to look at that because I don't know. Ooh, it comes with this charging device. I heard they don't give those anymore. Or something like that. What is this? I actually don't know how to charge the watch. Is this a charger? Oh, I guess you just fit it on there or something. It's really annoying to do this with one hand. Sorry. Here's my language here. Here's a charger. I guess you put it on there somehow. Probably lines up with this circle right here. If I had to give it a guess, let's see if it's magnetic. You see that? Easy, simple, good, easy, good. All right, I'm gonna open this really quick. Buds, here we are. Ooh. Okay, look like some futuristic band here. Oh. Okay, I don't know what I just did there. Medium slash a large. Right now I'm definitely a large wrist. If I can get down to the medium after using this wash here. I think it tracks your calories, so burned and stuff. It's good. It's always a good idea. You don't gotta eat something bad. Look at your wrist. Your wrist tells you only burned 500 calories today, man. You're like, damn, should I really be eating that? Alright. I'm gonna figure out how to put this together, right? We'll show you the final product here. Thank you. Jeez, okay. Wow. You can see my hair kind of gives it a nice bundle of protection around it as well. If you're wondering how to put the band together, you just try sliding it in one way. For this watch, the white side has to be out. If that way doesn't work, try the other way. To put the watch on, pretty simple. You click it, the directions right there. You click it, and then you roll it in. Wow, it connected almost instantly. Now it's just setting up while I record this. Dang, it just looks cool, man. I'm gonna use it. Yeah. This extra band they gave, so pretty good deal. Thank you for watching, man. Leave this like if you don't like the video. If you like video, do whatever. Do. Thanks for watching.
Hey, bro, if you want the band, let me know. You can have it. Let me know in the comments. We'll figure something out, I guess. I don't know. Hopefully, it doesn't cost me money.